Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about Ansible and how to install Ansible in Centos 7. Ansible is an open source automation platform. It is simple open source IT engine which automates application deployment, infrastructure service, orchestration, cloud provisioning and many other IT tools. Cloud provisioning means we can install say as for example, there are many services like AWS, Azure, OpenStack, CloudStack, cloud provisioning is available. We can manage that type of cloud provisioning by Ansible. Say in AWS, if you want to install EC2 instance, then we can do it by Ansible. Let's discuss about the Ansible features. Ansible is simple. Ansible playbooks provide human readable automation. Ansible playbooks provide human readable. Human readable means human can read it very easily. Human can understand the playbooks easily. We will discuss about playbooks in future videos. Ansible's main goal are simplicity and very easy to use. Ansible is very powerful. We can use Ansible to deploy application for work configuration management, for workflow automation and for network automation also. Why Ansible is powerful? We can install or we can manage more than one, means we can manage 100, 150 or more than that at a time by control machine. What is control machine? We are seeing it later. Ansible is agentless. Ansible manages machines in an agentless manner. Ansible connects to the host it manages using OpenSSH or WinRM. OpenSSH, when Ansible control node want to control host which is Linux based, that time Ansible will use OpenSSH. Or when Ansible control node will want to manage Windows machine, at that time WinRM will use and run the task. Ansible pushing out some programs called Ansible modules to those hosts. To run the modules, we recommend that there will be at least Python installed in control machine or manage host. What is control machine and what is manage host? We are seeing it now. Ansible architecture. There are two types of machines in Ansible architecture. One is control node, another one is managed host. Say I have drawn a diagram. Say this is control node. Okay. These are managed host. Managed hosts. Say this is Linux machine. This is Windows machine. This is also Linux machine. Then the control machine will communicate to manage host via SSH. By default SSH. Okay. We can also send it to SFP in ansible.cfg file. We will see it later. Then see it will use WinRM. Then if it will also use SSH. As for example, I have taken only 3 managed hosts. There may be more than 3 managed hosts in your production environment. There may be 50, there may be 100 managed hosts. You need to install Ansible only in control node. No need to install managed host. No need to install Ansible in managed host. That's why Ansible is called agentless. One important thing is no need to run any Ansible daemon in background. Okay, it is very good point. We will install Ansible in control machine only. No need to install Ansible in managed host. Ansible 2.4. Nowadays it's available 2.4. Pre-requirement is Python 2. At least Python 2.7. Python 2.7 need to install in control machine. Okay. Ansible is installed and run from the control node. Yes, control node. A control node can be a laptop or desktop, a system shared by a number of administrators, or a number of server running Ansible tower. What is Ansible tower? We will see it later videos. Managed hosts are organized systems of groups listed in a file called inventory. What is inventory? We will see it later. No need to install Ansible in managed host. That's why it is called agentless. Ansible control node needs to communicate with managed host over the network. By default, SSH is used for Linux based environment. By default, this uses SFP. It uses secure FTP. We can switch to SFP secure copy in ansible.cfg file. In managed host, prerequisite is Python 2.4. At least Python 2.4 need to install in managed host. Python 2.4 need to install. Let's see how to install Ansible in control node. Root. I have logged in as root user. I will show you how I have configured for internet connection. Go to Oracle VM VirtualBox, then click the machine, then setting, then select network tab, then see in adapter 2 I have chosen net for internet connection, and in adapter 1 I have selected host to adapter, means I used to put it from my Windows machine, base machine. So I will SSH by putty. I have already SSH here. I have let's check the Python version. Python dash capital V. See here, Python 2.7.5 is already installed. I can install Ansible here very easily.